Ain't a $ tag on some peace of mind, Jack. We could take a loss, we gon' get it right back. We could take a loss, we gon' get it right.
Hey guys, it's Jaquel B here. Welcome back to my channel. So you guys know what today is, right? No, I'm not talking about today's date. It is the first day of fall. So, with that being said, you already know what this is about. So we're gonna do a fall makeup tutorial look. Okay? So, brows first. Don't mind them, guys. It's kind of bushy. I have to get them trimmed. I'm not professional at trimming my own brows, so I always go to the next one I get mine. Crayon case, brown pomade and dark brown to fill in the rest of my brows. I'm gonna rush and get to it because if you rush, sis, it's gonna look a hot mess. So I'm going in with the brow gel. So now, once we fill in our brows, we're gonna go in with our flat brush and we're gonna conceal. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but far below. So I'm going to go in with LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm gonna trace that color underneath my brow bone. I'm gonna go in with your foundation, and I'm using Juvias Place in the shade 410. Now, honey, they look great. I used the wrong bleeding one, y'all. For my lids, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline concealer, and this is in the color Honey. I'm sorry, y'all. I was trying to find the color. In the color Honey, so I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid. And bring it on up to the crease area. Normally I go in with the setting powder to put on my eyelids, but since the eyeshadow are pigmented and I want the color to stay there and pop, I'm not going to do that today. So, we're going in with our Urban Decay Born to Run. It's like this. Open it up. This is what it looks like. Going in with the color Orange. That's my transition shade. The tip of it, you don't want to use all of it, I'm using the tip, literally, and then I'm going to carefully but slowly go inside the crease area. Sorry guys, my camera just cut off for what reason, I have no idea. We even stopped recording. Same one, good is gone, and I'm going to apply that. Now, I'm going to take smaller glitter blush and I'm going to go in with purple, dark yellow shade. Because I need like that dark purple look. What I'll do is I'm going to apply that on top of that color. And blend it on there. Hazelnut, guys, hazelnut. So one like this. So I'm going to carefully apply that on the hair. And as you can So I'm not really doing a full pop, pop, pop. Who is she? Do you know her? Nah. Take a deep. That's how I want my eyeshadow and my colors and my eye to speak to people. Eyeshadow is so beautiful. It makes your eyes pop. And you're like, thank you, dog. Like, you know, because you'll see what I'm about to do. I saw this hack on TikTok, and no, I don't have a TikTok. I need to get one. I saw this hack when this young lady was doing her eyeshadow, and it was bomb. Like, it was bomb.com. I was like, oof, she put me on game, honey. Eyeshadow palette, my friend Kiera's mom, shout out to her. She gave this for to me because she know I love makeup when I was in school. I mean, I'm still in school when I was in the dorm, and it's called Impress You by Beauty Glazed. And when you open it up, she looks like this, guys. Like, I'm gonna go in with that dark brown, slowly to bring that in and tap. Slowly bring it up like this. Surprisingly, amazingly good. Like, concealer, and now I'm going to clean her. Guys, I was trying to do like that fox look, but she didn't come out the way I wanted to, so guess what's about to happen. I want to wait till that dries so I can slowly clean it up. Going on with falsies now. I noticed this, that you have to be so dramatic with your lashes, especially in the fall. So I'm going with these big lashes, like I'm talking about big. And normally I do like the little cute natural look lashes, but for the sake of this video, and since I love fall, we're going to be so dramatic with this one. We're going to be dramatic content. And yes, I use 30-second hair glue. And yes, people are like, oh, you ain't got no lashes, you don't have lashes now. I have a little bit of lashes, but baby, that's when falsies come into place. Don't try it. Fan it to dry out quicker like this, because you want to try it. Tell me, dry it before you apply it. You hear that? Dry it before you apply. And then, boom. Now we got the lashes done. Now we're going to prime our face with the ultra repairing hydration primer, and going in with the coconut skin smoothie priming moisturizer. Guys, you can find these both products at Ultra. Amazing. I'm going to use my brush to apply that moisture all over my face. Also put it on my neck too. Make sure you get a primer and moisturizer you mix together, because you don't want to go in with your concealer and not concealer, your foundation and look cakeish. No. I go above and beyond for my skin. Like, yep. As usual, I just applied the primer oil with rose oil on my face as well. I have like dark areas when I'm eating by this. Like, you see how I got it around my lip, my chin and lip area here. And I'll apply some underneath my eyes right here and the crease of my nose. You see why? So I'm going in with the Kiss New York Professional and Cream Contour. It's like this. You already know not to use it every time. Nothing new, guys. Nothing new. I'm not trying to get anything on my cute sweater. Like, no, I'm not doing it. So then, next you already know, going in with your foundation. So I'm using the same foundation that I applied to my upper brow bone. Be careful, because out of the way, like when I squeeze the bottle a little bit, it just, she does not want to act right. Like, nope. Take this sweat brush that I just applied my foundation, and I'm just go in with my beauty blender now and just so now for my concealer, I'm going in, not LA Girl Fawn. I'm going in with Juvias Place in the color 13. And I'm going to simply the contour. I'm going to go ahead and go on my beauty blender, and then I'm going to blend out my contour. And you're going to brush it up because you want to get that nice facelift. You don't want to brush it down like, you know, you want to go upward with it. There you can see I'm using this side, not this side. Now I'm going and blend. So now I'm going to blend out this contour on my nose area. Get rid of that harsh line because, honey, you don't want your nose to look ridiculous. You hear me? Not ridiculous. This place, setting powder in Kalahari, and I'm going to basically going to town with this. And then I'm going back in to contour because I'm going in with the darkest color. Like I told you guys, I'm gonna brush it up. Put on my forehead. Do my nose. She's looking stunning. Now, I'm going to go in with a blush. I'm going in with Sephora Colorful and Sweet on You. It's like this. Put some right here too. Make it look like I'm blushing, like a little flirtatious, but I'm not really flirting. You know what I mean? So, with highlighter, running with Wonder Seeker. I believe we got this from Five Below. With my highlighter brush, and I'm going to go in with rose quarters. It's kind of slow. Sorry guys, I'm back. Technical difficulties with my camera because I put some brand new batteries in there and she didn't want to act right. So now I have to transfer over to my iPhone 8 camera. It's crazy how my camera didn't want to act right, and all of a sudden she wanted to die on me. Like, I saw this another trick on TikTok that I want to try. She closed her lips and she basically did her outline. I want to try that. Actually, I'm feeling it. Like, I'm actually feeling this look right now, guys. Like, I'm actually feeling her. You know, you get me? You get me? Like, I'm feeling her. One with a, it's like a nude color. It's like, oh, these matte lips I'm using, guys, they're both by LA Colors Matte. Why can I get it right, guys? Why can I not appreciate? See? Why? Why? So I'm kind of letting this dry. I'm really feeling this color, like, ooh.